Hello everyone, this is Brian Yang from Thinkware. I'm in charge of business development. I'm a business director. Today I'm really happy to introduce you about our new mobile connected dashcam. Let me introduce you what makes difference between conventional dashcam and mobile connected one. As you look at here at a screen, there is a photo shot, and if you see a little map over here, this photo shot is sent from Korea to all the way to the Las Vegas. Which meaning is that once you have a mobile connectivity, you can control, connect all the dashcam functionality with your mobile phone at your home, even though your car is outside. That makes huge difference between conventional dashcam and mobile connected one. There is technology we call NB-IoT. That's the narrowband LTE connectivity, which send out just small data like a small photo shot. And there is a typical LTE connected dashcam. That's the one truly mobile connected. Once the LTE connected dashcam is coming over to the market, you can do video streaming, you can send the video file out, everything you imagine just within your palm that can be done.